Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce to you a new product from Newfly. It's an instant heater and I'm going to show you what is inside this box, its component, and later on I will show you how to install it. So we have this cord which is connected to the power source on the and then on the lower side we have two poles. One is for hot water that has a lead color, and then a blue colored arrow is for the cold water. Then we have two valves. This one is for hot water, and then the one that has a blue color is connected to the cold water. And then it has a rubber with a sieve. This one controls leakage, and also the sieve prevents particles from entering into the heater. So this one, the one with the blue color, is connected into the side whereby the blue arrow is. So that one will take water from the source. And then the other one, this one will supply water to the shower head. Is connected on the left hand side. So here we have the flex tubes. These ones will connect them into a water heater. This one will connect the water heater to the source of water, and then this one will connect the water heater and the shower head. Before you connect, you have to put these rubbers we have here. And then you connect this one into the hot water valve, then to the shower head. And then on the same we'll apply on the other side. You connect the flex tube to the valve, and then this one will go to the water point. This one will go, the other end will go to the water point from the wall or from the source. Here we have the plugs, wall plugs, and the screw. This one will be used to mount the water heater on the wall. And again we have another metallic object. This one is used to hold now the heater itself on the wall. So you mount this one on the wall, and then you will make sure it will enter here while mounted on the wall. Then you place your water heater on it. This one is a holder. It is used to hold the shower head onto the wall like that, while it is mounted on the wall, so it will be holding our shower head like that.